channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a multi-random palette bingo, but I'm going to be using my eyeshadow palettes that I have in my project pans. So this one, I have it in my yearly project pan, and I only have one shadow from here, and it's this purple right here, which is this purple right here. I already swatched it to save some time. And then in my Halloween project pan, I do have 3 eyeshadow palettes. And in the Ace Beauté Flare palette, I have the orange one, which is called Pumpkin. This one right there. That is this shade right here. And then I also have the Pure Midnight Masquerade palette. It's this one right here. And from this palette, I have 3 shadows, which are these 3 down here. And it's these right here, this black, this like pinky red, and this gold. And then from the Revolution Haunted House palette, I have a couple of shadows. I have this one right here, and then I have these 2, the red one and this like shimmery silver color, and then I have this one and this one and this one. And I already swatched them right here. So it's 6 of those shadows right here. Okay, so I'm going to be using those palettes, but I'm also going to be getting a random palette using my eyeshadow palette roulette. So I already have my eyeshadow palette roulette right here. So anyways, let's begin. Elf Matte for Matte. Okay, that palette is not one of my favorites. So the one that I got is this one right here, Elf Matte for Matte. This is the palette that I've been using to set my eyeshadow primer. As you can see, I already hit pan on that one. But anyways, look at this palette. I mean, it looks nice, but the shadows aren't that great, so I don't know. Let's see what 3 shadows I get from this palette. Hopefully I don't get the black one. Okay, so now I'm going to be generating 3 shadows from this palette, and then 3 shadows from these shadows right here. So this palette has 10 shadows, so I'm going to put in my random number generator 1 through 10. So here we go. So I got 5, 9, and 1. So 5 is this like burgundy shade. 9 is this green right here. And then 1 is this white shadow. So I guess I'm just going to be using this one to set my eyes. I don't think I've ever used this green. It looks really pretty, but hopefully it's not patchy. So I have 11 shadows right here. So I'm going to put 1 through 11 in my random number generator, and I'm going to generate 3 shadows. So here we go. So I got 2, 5, and 7. Okay, so 2 is from the Haunted House palette, and it's this shade right here, and it's called Creepy. Okay, shadow number 5 is also from the Haunted House palette, and that one is called Lucifer, and it's this pretty orange. And then 7 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whew, I almost got the black one, but I got this gold right here, and that one is from the Pure Festival palette. I mean, the Pure Masquerade palette, and it is the gold shade, this one right here, and this one is called Mask Off. So here is the color story I have to work with today, and it's going to be a very hard one. This is like really random, but I don't know, hopefully I could create something pretty with this. So before I begin, I'm going to be priming my eyes with a NYX Pigment Primer, and I will be doing this off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. I already applied eyeshadow primer, and I haven't set them yet because I'm actually going to be using this shadow right here, which is the one that I got right there, shadow number 1. So let's begin with that. I still don't know what I'm going to be doing because it's like a really hard color story. Hopefully the lighting is better. I tried to dim the lights so it doesn't look too white. I can't really tell on the viewfinder because I have bad eyesight, so I can't tell if it's looking better or if I look too white or too yellow. 1 shadow down. So I think I'm going to begin with the lightest shade, which is Lucifer. This one right here, which is this one right here. And I'm going to be putting that all over my crease. I'm using this big brush. It's like bigger than my eyeball. now I'm going to be using a shadow for my outer V. Okay, so now I'm going to be using shadow number 5 from the e.l.f. palette, which is this one right here. So this one. It looks kind of burgundy on the palette, but for some reason it kind of looks brown on the swatch. But we will see. Maybe it will look different on the eye. And I think this is the wrong brush because it's like looking patchy. Okay, this is the wrong brush. I'm using a different brush now. Whoa. That looks very dark now. Okay, I said I was going to put it only in my outer V, but I'm just going to drag it in here a little bit. It looks brown on my lid. Okay, this side doesn't want to blend, so I think I'm going back into that orange and I'm going to try to blend out both eyes. I think I messed up, you guys. It doesn't want to blend. For some reason it doesn't want to blend on this side. Like, what the heck? I think we're just gonna pretend like it did because it does not want to blend. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. Okay, now I'm going to put on my lid this green, which is this one right here. I'm just going to put it like half of my lid. I'm going to pat it like really lightly here and then just like put it like really dark over here. Hopefully it looks nice. Cool, it's actually looking sort of nice. At least on this side it's kind of looking nice. Hopefully this side looks nice as well. Okay, I'm going back into that brush with the orange with no extra product. I think it's looking pretty nice. And I'm going to cover like a little bit of the green right now with a shimmer, so it doesn't really matter how dark it is, because that shimmer is like a topper type of thing, so it needs a base. Okay, now I'm going back into the brush that I used for that burgundy shade, and I'm going to grab a TNC bit and I'm just going to try to blend in the green and that shadow. So I'm going to be putting NYX glitter primer on part of my lid. There's a chance that this look might look like St. Patrick's Day or something. And the gold is from the Pure Masquerade palette, and it's this one right there, which is this one right there. I feel like I covered too much of the green now. Kind of regret it. Okay, I'll retouch it right now. Okay, I really like this green. It's super pretty. Okay, now I'm going to be doing the same thing on this eye. I don't know why the texture always looks different on this side than on this side. Okay, now for my lower lash line, I think I'm going to put the green. Okay, now I've used pretty much all of the shadows. I just need one more, and that is this one right here from the Haunted House palette, and it is called Creepy. This shade right there, and I'm going to be putting that in my inner corner, and I'm going to drag it a little bit under my lower lash line. Okay, so now I'm going to apply eyeliner and mascara off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I am back. I already applied eyeliner and mascara. The eyeliner that I'm wearing on my waterline, it is a LA Girl Shockwave Neon Lip Liner in the shade Outrage, and it's this one right here. And then on the top, I am using the Hank & Henry Blickety Black Liner. And for mascara, I am using the Hourglass Unlocked Instant Extension Mascara. And for lips, I am using the Coca-Cola and the Face Shop lipstick in the shade Vintage Red. So this is what it looks like, and it's very pretty. And I feel like it doesn't really match. I feel like it's too like orangey or something, but I don't know. I don't want to take it off because it's a Coca-Cola one and I don't want to waste it. So I'm just going to leave it on, and I still really like the lipstick, but I just feel like it doesn't match the eye look. I don't know. What do you guys think? But anyways, this is the final look. I really like how this turned out. I think it's super pretty. I don't think I've done many green looks, and I feel like this one's super pretty. I actually like how the gold looks with a green, even though I feel like it looks like a St. Patrick's Day look, but I still feel like it kind of looks like a fall look. But let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like this look? I'm happy that I got something different today because I feel like I've been getting like similar colors all the time, and these were the 3 palettes that I used for this eye look. So let me know if you guys have any of those palettes, and let me know if you guys like them. And yeah, anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.